In the tropical South China Sea, the sandy seafloor in shallow waters is home to a mysterious and graceful creature. This quaint fish likes to bury itself halfway into the sand, leaving only its front half exposed in order to feed on passing plankton. Viewed from a distance, their bodies, swayed by the current, resemble long grass in a windy garden. Hence the apt and intriguing name, garden eel. This species is very timid and reluctant to venture afar. The slightest movement drives them back into the sand. When 100% sure that the coast is clear, it reemerges to resume its activities. The garden eel feeds on plankton and other microscopic organisms. As the passing current carries their nutrition, the eels swarm out. With their heads sensing direction, they open their mouths to the greatest extent to ensnare as much food as possible. They prefer to live in groups, though the species is very territorial. Each has a fixed domicile. If a trespasser intrudes, a physical altercation ensues. In a confrontation over turf. In mating season, the male sways his body toward a nearby female to attract her attention and interest. If the female obliges, she'll emerge from her cavity to entwine with her pursuer. Fertilized eggs will then float off before burrowing into the seabed to grow and begin their own lives in the ocean.